Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra, and today I'm gonna review a spray product known as Banna wood polish spray. First of all, thank you to Banna Aerosol team for sending me this wonderful Banna wood polish spray for testing. So yeah, now let me tell you about the purpose of using this Banna wood polish spray. So your wooden furniture are not looking new, or you want to restore your wooden articles of your home, then this Banna wood polish spray is suitable for you people, and you can perform the polishing job of wooden wooden furniture in no time by using this Banna wood polish spray. So the price of this product is rupees 349 Indian rupee, and the quantity of this spray can is 440 milliliter, and the weight is 428 grams. It's a made in India product, and Banna Aerosol is a brand which is famous for producing spray cans, spray paints mainly, for many years. More than 25 years they are in this spray can business, so they are a very well experienced company that makes these kinds of products. Recently they launched this product, Banna wood polish spray, for polishing your wood furniture. So few days back I used this spray to polish my dull looking tokery or wooden basket. Only a first coat of Banna wood polish spray, and as you can see, this basket is looking like brand new in the first coat only.